Sohodong neighborhood. We are at the marina, and hopefully we'll be able to rent some of these kayaks back here and kayak around in the bay.
Yeah, supposedly we can get them for free with our alien registration card proving that we live in Yeosu. We don't have to pay anything, which is nice, but we're gonna see, because we don't see anyone else out kayaking, so hopefully they haven't shut it down like they've started to shut down all the beaches.
Yeah, beach season is over, which kind of means that you're supposed to stay out of the water here.
Right.
After beach season ends, you can kind of get in trouble by the police for being in the ocean, even though it's like still 100 degrees outside.
Low safety.
Low safety is what we've been told.
They always tell us low safety, get out of the water.
So hopefully we can get some kayaks and go around and have some fun in the bay.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Let's go. Kayaking in Yeosu.
We are kayaking. It was kind of sketchy trying to get the kayaks, to be honest. We went up to the guy that was sitting next to the kayaks and asked him about renting one. He kind of just like shook his head and was walking around, said no.
He basically just said no because we don't have experience. You know, isn't true. But he could tell.
And we couldn't really tell if he was the guy that we were supposed to talk to.
Yeah, I'm still not sure what the protocol is for legally obtaining a kayak in Yeosu. But we basically just kept shaking our head and saying kayak, and then we grabbed one and he awkwardly helped us get it down off the rack, and then just stared at us while we walked away and got in the water. Regardless, we're kayaking.
My suggestion is, I guess, to just do that. If you want to come down here and rent a kayak, just do it. That's what we did. No one stopped us. Everyone actually helped us. Just set the kayak in the water and pushed us off and waved goodbye.